By the end of this exact video, you will have successfully bought your very first Federal Government of Nigeria Savings Bond. This specific bond features zero default risk and it guarantees quarterly interest payouts. Because it is backed by the full faith and credit of the federal government, you can start with a minimum of just 5,000 Naira. To begin right now, you need three things: your smartphone, your 11-digit bank verification number, and at least 5,000 Naira ready in your mobile bank app. Having these basic prerequisites ready transforms you from a passive saver into an active, government-backed investor. Step 1. Every month, the Debt Management Office opens two specific bond options for public subscription. This chart compares the two options side by side, a 2-year bond and a 3-year bond. Both pay out every quarter, but as the bar graph demonstrates, committing to the 3-year option yields a slightly higher interest rate. Normally, corporations are required by the Federal Inland Revenue Service to pay income tax on profits derived from short-term government securities. However, income derived from FGN bonds by individual investors remains 100% tax-exempt. Because the tax code allows individuals to keep every Naira of their earned interest, choosing this specific bond maximizes your actual take-home profit. Now, open your mobile banking app to initiate the transfer of your chosen investment amount.
If you're finding this interesting so far, you'll probably enjoy the rest of the channel. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's get back to it.
To buy the bond, your funds must be transferred directly to a licensed stockbroker's designated account. We are using Stanbic IBTC stockbrokers as our example. You must type your first and last name into the transfer narration box so the broker can trace the payment to your profile. Once the transfer is complete, immediately take a screenshot or download the PDF receipt. You will need this digital receipt to complete the official subscription form in the next step. Next, open the online subscription link provided by your stockbroker. Begin by filling out your basic identity fields: your surname, first name, email, phone number, and physical address. You must verify your local residency by checking the Resident in Nigeria box and selecting your state from the drop-down menu. Then, securely input your 11-digit bank verification number into the form. Inputting this precise personal data securely creates the legal foundation of your official investment profile with the government. Click the Upload button and attach the PDF or JPEG screenshot of the bank transfer you saved earlier. Scroll down, select your personal bank name, and type in your standard account number. This is where the government will directly deposit your quarterly interest payments. You'll encounter fields for a CHN and CSCS number. First-time investors type null into both boxes. The broker will generate these accounts for you. Finally, enter your final investment amount, select your preferred tenor, and click the subscribe button. Following these specific steps completely ensures your application is processed by the broker without any manual delays. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the application and are officially an investor in the Federal Government of Nigeria. Your active work is complete. You only need to wait for an SMS or email from CSCS confirming your bond allotment. In exactly 3 months, your first tax-free interest payout will hit your local bank account. If this guide helped you, please like, subscribe, and share this video with another Nigerian ready to start their investment journey. By following these steps, you have moved from a standard saver to a Nigerian government bondholder in under 6 minutes.